Garudasana, the eagle position. Start in Tadasana, bend your knees and with a big rotation, cross your legs once or twice. With an inhale, spread your arms to the side, as with an exhale, cross your upper arm and forearm as well. See that if your right leg is up, then your left arm should be upward. Ground with the feet and raise your elbow and keep the palms straight. For modification, you can bring your hands in Namaskar. Or you can do one leg chair position before attempting the full posture. As for variations, you can do first variation with the hands, bring the hands above the head, or you can cross the wrist, palm touching, or you can bring the hands to back Namaskar or elbow touch, or you can interlace finger behind your sacrum. What's more important, that you should ground well with your feet, engage the back part of your body, and knee should point forward. Try to stay stable in the position. Or you can do a dynamic variation where you come into the full position, and after, with an exhale, you lowering your elbow to your knee and after back a few times. See that you don't lose balance.